In today's video, I will give you information about some tips with the help of which you can bring glow on your face, and that too in a natural way. Along with this, I will give you information about homeopathic medicines which you can easily use along with these tips. So stay tuned till the end. I am Dr. Pathan. You are very welcome to my channel. Every woman wants her skin to look silky, soft and glowing. But in the changing weather, it becomes very difficult to take care of the skin. Due to the effect of the winds, the skin often becomes dry or withers. Cleaning of the face daily and applying all kinds of packs to bring glow on it also difficult task. Waking up early in the morning and between daily chores, there is a lack of time for special care of the facial skin. If you are also facing a similar problem that how to maintain the glow of the face in the morning, then I make this problem easy for you. Today I am going to tell you some such skincare tips which are very easy to adopt. The interesting thing is that this tips is very useful for daily skin care and is also very economical in terms of pocket. You can use the items of daily cooking for your skin care. For this tip, cut a normal size of cucumber, a potato and tomato into small pieces. Now put them in a mixer and blend them. After blending, put this mixture in a ice tray and keep it in the freezer. When the cubes becomes hard, you can use an ice cube on your face every morning and evening. When you apply the ice cube on the face, slowly keep moving it all over the face until it melts completely. After using this one ice cube, you will find that your face has becomes very soft. Such an instant glow will appear on the face with freshness that your heart will be happy. Within a minute, your face will be completely brightened. However, this method is very easy. If you have acne on your face, do not touch them repeatedly or rub them. Do not tamper with pimples and acne. By keeping the face clean, acne will gradually disappear and then marks will also go away. To keep the skin of the face soft, use lukewarm water instead of very hot water. Very hot water can make your skin dry. Fried and sweet things are very tasty to eat, but if you want to keep your skin glowing and also want to stay fit, then eat more roasted things. Fish, soup and dry fruits will help in keeping your skin healthy. Seasonal vegetables, tomatoes, spinach, garlic, orange and papaya among fruits are very good for your skin and health. Tomato contains carotene element which cleanses the blood, while spinach provides calcium and increases the amount of hemoglobin. Green tea, lemon juice and honey are also good options. Massaging the face, nose and lips with a mixture of glycerin and rose water is beneficial. This softens dry skin. Not only this, the area around the nose becomes soft and starts shining. Take a hot shower with lukewarm water to clean the face. After bathing, apply moisturizer, coconut oil or olive oil on your skin. Creams containing vitamin A for night and vitamin C and vitamin E for day are beneficial. Water-based creams and moisturizers are very beneficial of your skin. Now, let's talk about homeopathic creams. First most important cream is Sunny Fairness Cream. These are available in different variants for both male and females. You have to use this cream twice a day. You have to apply it on your face and neck after bathing in the morning and before going to sleep at night. This cream is only for glowing the face and not for pimples. I hope you like this video. See you in my next video. Till then, thanks.